Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Cere Junda from Jedi Fallen Order. So without any further ado, let us begin. The legs that I used come from this Batman minifigure. The torso comes from this Rebel Trooper. The head comes from a Hoth Snow Trooper. I added the hands from this Starfire minifigure. Finally, the hair and the arms come from this Finn minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. Overall, I quite like the way that this minifigure looks, and I hope everybody else does too. If you have any ideas for any future videos that I could make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could like it, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. If you like Jedi Fallen Order, maybe you'll like my second sister tutorial. I will put that on the end screen now, as well as my playlist.